Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will see the next part of access token and the refresh token. Okay, and in the last part, like there was some audio glitch, and the entire audio was not recorded properly. So that's why I uploaded the half part of that video, and this is the second part of the video regarding refresh tokens. Okay, and I will continue the uh, last part of the regarding the refresh tokens. Okay, and I will just show you that in the last part we have done this thing. Okay, and what was the thing is that like we have worked with the claims principles, and after this we like what I'm trying now, I'm just getting the access token, and after this the token validator will validate my token with the secret key of the token, and it will verify that the token is matching with the secret key or not. Okay, then after this the I have initialized a token handler, and up and I'm just taking the principal, and this and after this what I'm doing here, I'm just checking that the token which is created under which algorithm, it is security algorithm name is HMAC 256. And after this and right now I'm checking this condition, if my token is null, or if the algorithm is not equals to that, then it will throw me an exception, and it will throw exception like invalid token. Okay, and so the moving to the next thing, and I like moving to the further things, and we were working with the refresh tokens API. Okay, and I told you in the last video that this token helps me to create a new refresh tokens and access tokens as well. Okay, and we have discussed access tokens and refresh tokens briefly in the last part. And if you are watching this video for the first time regarding the tokens and security authentications, okay, so I'll just tell you that please start it from the JW authentication. Then after that, you will see the two parts of the refreshed tokens. Okay, and now let's get started with the main content. Okay, so what I will do here, I'll just call this principal function. Okay, or get principal token expire. Okay, and after this I will pass the access token, and this access token uh, like uh, what I'm trying to hear, like what's the purpose to passing the access token, and what is the claims principle. This claims principle will extract the values from that access token. Okay, and how can I uh, uh, detect that that those values in the available in the claims. So let's see. So just I will do principal dot claims, and after this I'll just use person default, and after this just use type, and claim types dot name identifier. Okay, yes. I I assigned this value in my username. Okay, like this value in the uh, claims. Okay, and after this I'll just use values here. Okay, and after this I'm checking the nullable things as well. Now what I will do, I just check that my token is actually valid or not, correct or not. Okay, so that kind of things I start with the main content. Okay, and suppose right now that the user's refresh token is already stored in my database, but right now I am not working with the database in this lecture. Okay, otherwise the lecture will become so huge. and I don't wanna this kind of thing, and yes, we will see, but in the different section and in the different way of tutorial. Okay, now first what I will do, I'll just again create the refresh token. Okay, and then I will show you that what's the purpose of mine to uh, run this application. And after this uh, in the last video I created an API. Okay, and this API will like what it will do, it will just create me the refresh tokens and the access tokens. Okay, and after that we have created the refresh tokens API as well. Okay, so right now I am not working on it. Okay, let's see uh, what I'm doing here. Okay, I was like just a minute. I'll just run this code. Okay, so my token, I think it is taking much time. I don't know why it is taking time. Okay. And now, guys, what I am telling you that what's the difference between access tokens and refresh tokens, and I have discussed these things briefly in the last videos, and I told you that like what's the purpose of using the refresh tokens, and guys, in the last video I also told you that refresh token is called as long-lived token. Okay, and your access token is the short-lived tokens. And why it is called the long-lived and a short-lived token? The reason is we give the some expiration time of the token in the um, JWT token. Okay, like we put some expiration that this token will be expired after 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 hour. But this access refresh token, we we make it available for the 7 days, 30 days, even 6 months as well. Okay, so that's why refresh token plays the important role here. Okay, and what I am doing right now, I am just calling this API to generate the new refresh token and new access tokens. Okay, so that we will get to know that like what we have to what we are doing, and what's the purpose of it. Okay, and we will check, we will go through with the response. Okay, so I got two responses, and the responses I have already done in the first. Let me do I am just copying this refresh token. Okay, just copy this code, just I will just stop this thing. After this, what I will do, okay, suppose I pass the access token here. Okay, and let me do this thing as well. Okay, so we will get the new refresh and access tokens as well. And where refresh tokens, okay, saved refresh token. Suppose that this refresh token is stored in my database. Okay, so that we will get to know. Okay, and right now, as I told you earlier, that I am not gonna work with databases right now for this tutorial. Okay, so suppose let's assume that this token is saved. Okay, and let me do something. Yeah, this is my refresh tokens. Okay, and what I will do here, like this, and the refresh token will be passed through which, and what is the purpose of getting like extracting the username from the claims. The reason is that this use I will just use this username to get the data from the table on the basis of usernames. Okay, so that's why we need to uh, fetch the data, fetch the refresh tokens on the basis of username in that which is already available in the table. Okay, and suppose this is the refresh token which I got from the table, and after this what I will do, I just check, I will check the if the refresh token is not equals to model dot refresh token. After this, what I will return here, I will return unauthorized. Okay, authorized. Okay, like this. Of course, if my refresh token is not equals to the saved refresh tokens, so it means that the token is not generated for this user in the last time. Okay, so and if it is not if the token is equals, then I just return new token model. Okay, and I'll just create an instance or access token get JWT token. Okay, like this. And this function will require me the username as well. And here is the username. Come again, use while generating the new token. Okay, because I am using the username for generating the JWT token, and I am adding this username in my uh, one second in my claims of the token. Okay, and, get refresh token like this. That's it. Okay, and what is the causing the issue? Okay, I just use the OK function. Okay, oh, yes. So this thing will be wrapped in the OK function, and the output will I will get the access token and the new refresh tokens. Okay, so here is the things is done regarding the new like new refresh tokens and the access tokens. Okay, interviewer can ask you that how we can use the like how we can generate new refresh tokens. Okay, uh, and what is the purpose of it, and what what is the proper way to generate the refresh tokens, and what is the checksums regarding the steps. So this kind of things we have done, and I will just use this API in my code. Okay, sorry, on the postman, and just okay, the code is running successfully. Okay, and right now what I am doing, I am just passing the access token and refresh tokens. And access token is the main purpose to get the claims from the access token, and the refresh token is to check the validity that this refresh token is actually generated from this user or not. Okay, so here is the main purpose of sending these two things again in the API. Okay, so that's why I create the refresh token API. Okay, and just I will do send this request, and hope so the new request will new response will I will get as a reference token and access token. So here is the result, and you can see that we have done the very important concept, and right now I am getting the access tokens and the refresh tokens. So hope you guys that you have learned regarding how we use the refresh tokens and how it plays the important role in the authentications. Okay, and guys, I just want to tell you that you should use the refresh tokens, and you should while working with the JW tokens. Okay, most of the developers they do just expire the tokens, but instead of it we can use the refresh tokens. Okay, so definitely it is a very fundamental thing for the authentication in the ASP.NET Core. And definitely, if you like this video, and if you love this content, if you love this topic, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. And I just want to remind you that, guys, I created the page on my Instagram uh, channel, which is F2B with Rohan, and with the same username you will find me on the Twitter as well. And in the last, like you have seen the all these credentials in my in the previous slides. Okay, so just just keep learning new things. And I just wanted to tell you that, like, what is the best practices, and how we secure the JWT tokens. Okay, so there are the many ways to secure the JWT tokens. Okay, so first first is that most of the developers save the access tokens in the databases, or most of the projects you will see they don't save the access tokens. It totally up to you. Okay, and now that thing is that if you are working with, like, if you want that I am like I am trying to log in that the in the two devices with the same login credentials. Okay, so if I want that whenever I log in this in the device B, and the same account is already logged in the device A, so whenever I try to log in the this my account in the device B, so A device should be uh, uh, automatically log out the my existing account, and the new token is generated, and new refresh token will be saved in my table. So here is the main concept works behind it. Okay, in this scenario we use this kind of fundamentals in the in our applications. Okay, while working with the refresh tokens. And you will, I think you have got a real life scenario why we use the refresh tokens and access tokens. Okay, and you will definitely get to know these things very well. And interviewer will definitely ask you, like, what is the purpose of refresh tokens, and how we use these things, and how we extract the claims from the uh, access tokens. What are the what are the process of it? So so I hope you have learned a very great thing in these two lectures in the refresh tokens, and it is the more important than the JWT authentication, because everyone uses the JWT authentication, but few of them uses the refresh tokens as well. So here, so here is the second part of this video, second part of the refresh tokens. And I told you earlier that in the last part I got the audio glitches. Okay, and audio was not recorded properly, and at that moment I didn't know. But while I was trying to editing, I get that thing, audio is not captured in this in the rest of the video. So I just cut down, uploaded the half part of the lecture. Then this is the second lecture of the refresh tokens. Okay, so if you love this video, and if you love this content, and if you found that this video is very helpful for you, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well, and hit the like button. Okay, guys, so till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.